sense of energy. He gave me some simple explanation towards the School of Vision, which is our school now. Gave me some explanation towards the hills. Gave me a diagram of the Star of David. It's the 5-point star that represents America, and those things kind of like spark the fire inside me.
The practitioners of the World Secret Order is the compass and the square. That is the tools for the lodge, Freemasonry, Illuminati.
From the studies that I've studied so far, USA, and the interpretation that I've got of USA, it means under satanic authority.
That is where I was trained, 1975. And did my military stint up until 1981, going to America. And in America, I got my conversion, the military, and my training. I think now was very good for me and was vital and necessary for even the work that I'm doing now in School of Vision, which means the shepherding of the people and its militancy. Not meaning guns and bombs and things. We don't deal with those weapons. The weapon is not carnal, but the spiritual weapons we deal with.
I'm a part of School of Vision. School of Vision meaning Bible study, prophecies, stuff like that. A holy set of people that have put themselves together to serve the Lord from the Bible.
We here now are bound by mainly one thing, farming. We that are here now in this habitation for repatriation, by wisdom know now that sin that we're going to be cut off, or ostracized, sin that we don't want this man, our only way out is to have a whole of food. Knowledge now is speaking, food. Why? Food is a fluid that sustains the flesh. And the Bible declares that, and he calls it all, whether you're large or small, white, black, rich or poor, if you don't take the mark, you're not going to be able to buy or sell, meaning trade. Man trade not only to minerals or resources, man trade labor. That means even your job will be a stake. So now, the chip is actually the one that the Bible warned them at. They're not going to be aware of it. Lucifer through the media. And they have already started it. Going to publicize the chip as the most coveted thing. They are already doing it in America with the children now from being kidnapped. They are using it now in what you call now wildlife preservation. I am aware of these things. So when the time comes now, and mankind already is a materialist by his nature, he's going to take the chip. You know why? If you don't take the chip, you'll have to face one man. That man is King Selassie. One word said the man is dead. And what did you say against him? He's evil. Him drink blood. Him do Rasta. So he will come to convince them. I cannot change it. I can only try to shine some light.
The Bible isn't the only source of inspiration. And for many, the Bible don't even